Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Meesam Ali. In this video, I'm gonna unbox the new Samsung Galaxy A70. First of all, let's move on. Assalamualaikum guys. Yep, I'm back. So in this video, I'm gonna unbox the new Samsung Galaxy A70. Oh, sorry, it's A10. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Yeah, this is it. So actually, this is the new Samsung Galaxy A70 just for $315. Like, it's not that cheap, but we got the box here, stopping A20, and this is the phone. And on the back, there's just A70. So firstly, what we just got, this is the phone. Okay, this is the phone, and here we got, I think this is the quick good start, I guess. There's typing Samsung, and let's check what's inside it. Okay, I'm opening it. Oh, we got a free case. That's actually, I like it. We got a free case. That's actually good. On Samsung Galaxy A70, we got a free case. Actually, there's typing good stand. जिससे आप सब किसी ने रीड नहीं किया. हमें ये भी नहीं चाहिए. Let's check this out. Oh, it actually looks very good. Okay, what we got in the box? We got a fast charger. It's actually super fast charger. And this, we got like a normal USB, but this is one thing is where I even don't like it. Let me show you what is it. We got a charger, but a normal charger get a USB puts here, but what is this? Seriously, like, who puts this cable, and how will we find if we like lose cable, or sometimes it's broken, but after it's broken, it's actually you just check this thing out. On the both sides, they are same to same. Where we can buy this type of cable, I never ever saw. Like, I know we can buy this one into USB, but how we can plug it here, the USB? Like, seriously, why Samsung? Why? On the J8 you did not tell about the fingerprint sensor. On the A70 you did not tell about the charger. It's not the same, but it's fast. Oh, okay. Check the phone. Okay, I will be turning on after something. So firstly, there's typing Samsung Galaxy A70, I guess. Yep, A70 powered by Android. Square X now. It means it's real. Okay, right now it's turning on Samsung. That's actually, I like this thing. On every Samsung phone, we will get this logo Samsung. Oh, it's actually fast. Oh, it's actually a little bit like bigger than the A10. Let me show you the A10. So this is the A70, and this is the Samsung Galaxy A10. As you can actually see the difference between, actually the A70 is actually so bigger than the A10, and actually you can actually see the A10 got one camera, but the A70 got triple camera. That is actually super good, and it does not have any, like, if you double tap it's turned on. It's actually amazing. Okay, on the A10 you did not get any fingerprint sensor. You just want to Face ID. You can actually see they both are same to same, not same. Okay, oh, I saw this thing. It got little bit big bezel, but yo, just check this thing. Oh, it's got actually so small bezel. Actually, they both looks exactly same to same. If we see from the front, difference. Yo, just check this. They both looks great. Yo, the both are actually like same to same. See, it's actually like a same to same. I like it. On the Samsung Galaxy A70, we got the on display fingerprint sensor. Firstly, I will be check this out. Let's just check this out. Go on the setting. Okay, let's go on lock screen. here, and then fingerprint sensor on. Continue. Let's choose the pin. Our pin is actually super good. 0000. No one can open it. 0000. Okay, let's check the fingerprint sensor. Oh, there's. I'm doing it. Oh, it's like green. There's a green light here. You can see a green light. I'm doing it for the first time. I actually like it. Wait, oh, he also told you about tapping. That's amazing. I like it. I'm like, oh, let me go here. Oh, he does it. That's actually good. Okay, he's saying full scan. Okay, let's do it. Oh, it's done. Let's just click on it. Let's add it. No, done. Oh, it's good. We did it. We did it. Turn it off. Turn it on. It's not that fast. No. Yeah, one thing I don't like is that it's not that fast. No, it's actually, I love it. I'll actually love this thing. I love it actually. See, I actually love it. You see. Okay, if you turn it on and like using it, just press it. It will not turn off. You want to like देर तक रखना होता है. Okay, let's check. I know that it's got triple camera, so let's just it is the back camera, as you can actually see, and you can actually zoom in. You can actually see it's got 8x zoom. That's amazing. As you can see, these are the things of boxes of the phones. Okay, I know that it's got triple camera and wide angle lens. Just check. Let me just check the wide angle lens. Oh my god. Let me take a picture with no wide, then normal picture, and with wide angle picture. This is the normal picture, and let's go on the wide angle. Okay, these are the pictures. Just tell me, how great is it, huh? Is it great? Yep. Okay, so let's just check the slow motion. So it got super slow motion and slow motion. Firstly, let's check the slow motion. This is the slow motion. Give me the rock. This is the rock. Let's just do it. Let's just wait a second. It's the slow motion. Okay, the slow video will be this. Wow, you can actually see it's super cool. Great, amazing. Okay, let's check the super slow motion. It's actually so super slow motion. So I have the rock here. Just this is it. Let's just check the slow motion. This is the slow motion. Yo, it's actually amazing. Great. So it's also got name is hyperlapse. I think it will make it fast. So let's just do this. This is the rock. As you can actually see, this is the rock. This is the rock. I know on the video it will be so much fast. So let's just do it. It's a little fun. It's so much fast. So let's just check this out. It was too much fast. That's great. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, anything you want to do. Okay. See you in the next video. I'm Meesam Ali. You know that.